How to add multiple accounts on Pinterest. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add multiple accounts on Pinterest. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. So the very first thing you're going to do is open up your Pinterest app and make sure that you're logged into your current account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. So just tap on it on the top left. But before that, head over to this menu icon that you see a little person icon right here, and then head over to profile. Once you land on your profile page, scroll down and under login, you'll have an option to add account. And if you want to log out of this one and log into another one, that's completely fine as well. But I'm just going to go ahead and add another one. And from here, you can go ahead and create a new personal account, or if you want, you could just manage account. Now, this will allow you to manage your current account, but if you want to add new one, you're going to have to create a new account. And if you already have an existing account, you can just continue with Google or Facebook and then simply add this to your Pinterest. So just enter your email address and then your password and you're good to go. So that's how you add multiple accounts on Pinterest. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.